Condensed glue gel again. You know, if you are going to do a lot of crystal placement or thinking of crystal designs, this crystal trifecta will never betray on you. It's gonna back you up every single time, and it's makes your crystal designs is so much easier. It makes the you know, like a process is more fun than instead of frustrated, because it's not going to dry until you are going to cure. You can see that you can able to place a lot of crystals and still saying it's nice. I thought I had the glove crystal yesterday. Let's see, this one doesn't have a glove crystal. I'm gonna put some glove crystal right there. Maybe I'll give it like this cutie is the heart. This one has so much heart. I love it. I'll maybe give it like really cute glove crystal right there, and one of the frame. From the any of the kits that you have. That's it. I'm gonna put some beads on and mix it pinky. It's so cute and simple for you to do. You place any of a crystal, like either you're doing gloves crystal. Also, this glove crystal is coming in your cute like Valentine kits. We need help naming that kits. Just like temporary name, it's like Valentine starter kit, but you know that it's more than just Valentine. Like more than that. All right, you can go on and on with this one. The pinky is so cute though. I'll make sure that they stay in the center of the nails before I cure this one. Wipe off on the side to remove all the excess condensed glue gels or top coat extra that we don't need, to keep the shape really nice and precise. So now I'm go ahead and do completely 60-second cure.